Welcome to our lesson on the applications of machine learning. In this session, we will explore how machine learning is transforming various industries and enhancing decision-making processes. In healthcare, machine learning is making waves through predictive analytics and medical imaging. These innovations lead to better patient outcomes and faster diagnoses, showcasing the power of data-driven insights. As we learned in the previous module, machine learning is also reshaping the finance sector. From fraud detection to algorithmic trading, it enhances security and efficiency in financial transactions. In retail, machine learning enhances customer experience through personalized recommendations and optimized inventory management. These applications not only boost sales, but also create a more tailored shopping experience. This quote encapsulates the essence of machine learning's impact across various sectors. Remember, it's not merely a tool. It revolutionizes our data analysis capabilities. In manufacturing, machine learning streamlines processes through predictive maintenance and quality control. These applications not only save costs, but also ensure high-quality production standards. Transportation is another area where machine learning shines. From route optimization to autonomous vehicles, these advancements improve logistics and safety in travel. Machine learning is transforming agriculture through crop monitoring and pest control. These innovations help farmers optimize yields and maintain healthier crops, showcasing the technology's versatility. As we look to the future, machine learning will continue to evolve and integrate into various sectors. Understanding its applications today prepares us for the innovations of tomorrow. Despite its benefits, machine learning faces challenges like data privacy and algorithmic bias. Addressing these issues is essential for the responsible advancement of this technology. This quote reminds us that the future of machine learning is bright for those who dare to dream. Embracing these technologies can lead to incredible advancements. In conclusion, machine learning's applications are vast and impactful. As we move forward in this course, keep these applications in mind as we delve deeper into data science.